What's going on, guys? My name is Matt Oney. I am a drummer for the band called Guns for Hire.
Well, here you go, line again. I said you're going out with your friends. I heard the story long ago, just to watch you walk out the door. The same job in the same old pay.
Been with the group going on a year now. We've been having a lot of fun with it. Recorded our debut album back in December of last year. It's going on about 6 months ago. We've had an absolute blast playing all over the place, getting to open up for some pretty big name bands, given a lot of great opportunity. Another great opportunity that I've been given is to sign an endorsement with Collision Drumsticks. These drumsticks are absolutely fantastic. I've had the fortune of being able to use these in the past, and I am a huge fan of these drumsticks. Number one, they feel phenomenal. And when it comes to playing 3-hour-long gigs, just the smooth surface of these sticks really helps with longevity and stamina with your hands. You're not going to have to worry about blisters breaking out in your hands. So that is the most important thing, is longevity. A second part of that is the durability. I am a fan of 5B. That's the sticks that I feel most comfortable with. I am known as a heavy hitter. I've got heavy hands, so these 5B drumsticks really take the brunt of the force. And that's the beautiful thing about these sticks, is they are so durable and they will last such a long time. I'm a rim shot player. I love to hit the rim on the snare drum, and these sticks take those rim shots very, very well. So a huge fan of the durability of these. Also, the response. You get a lot of bounce back with these sticks. Regardless of the size that you like to play, you will get a great response rebound with these drumsticks. These are absolutely phenomenal drumsticks. And the Collision staff, it doesn't matter what type of question you have, they are there at all times. They will answer your emails, your phone calls. They will point you and guide you in the right direction. And the most important thing of all is how family and community oriented the brand is. That's one of the first things when I had my endorsement interview, is they stress the community aspect of it. And it doesn't take you very long to realize that they are very, very behind the community. So if you've not given Collision Drumsticks an opportunity, a chance, you definitely need to do that. So I'm getting ready to play an original song of ours called Death Row. It's a song that was written, it's on our debut album. And the album kind of follows a storyline. And just like any other rock album, it's kind of got a little bit of a love story. And it was a love that went bad, and the death row, you'll kind of figure that out. But anyway, here it is.
Sitting here alone in this cold dark cell. Every day in here is like another day in hell. The walls are caving in. There's nothing I can do. That's just the price I'll pay. All the loving you. Well, it's an eye for an eye, reap what you sow. Judgment Day's coming here on death row. Well, at times I think of you and everything we have. But you were loving another man, and everything